It's Thursday, November 29th, 2018. Just give me a minute. 2:38 p.m. From this vantage point, we're not going to be able to see much at all. But there's a storm coming, and maybe we can get some of the storm here. Wind's been blowing all day. And looking over to the casino across the street. The open signs. There we go. Can't see the mountain behind the flags. And all the way around. And I'm not getting out because it's windy, cold, and raining. But you can't see anything but gray. Flags indicate that the wind is coming on the west-southwest. And here comes a truck or a car. A 95 pickup truck. Alright, so that's it for this one.